Hey guys, it's your boy Miflater here, and today we have an insane battle, which, we'll see how it goes, but we have Earth Eagle, Earth Aquila 145 WD versus Lightning L-Drago 100 HF. So it's gonna be a first three as always, and let's see what happens. So yeah, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Both of these are like the best Metal Fusion base. So let's see who is the top dog. Yeah, I think that has a nice ring to it. Honestly, Lightning is just gonna circle around. It's a clear win for Eagle. But yeah, let's see.
The art wheel is just so gorgeous.
Guys, it's like so classy. I love it. It's a thick wheel, just like Grand wheel. But yeah, Grand is like a little lighter, so yeah. Seems like it's gonna be a 1-0. Alright. Round 2 starts the Lightning attacks, but no use yet again, and Lightning is just chilling in the middle. And if you guys can hear some background chants, I think it's because of Krishna Janmashtami. So yeah, I am from India, and to all my Hindu viewers celebrating it, a very happy Krishna Janmashtami to you guys, and I hope you're all doing well. Yet again, Lightning is just surrounding Eagle and not able to show its true attack potential because it's just wasting its stamina. So seems like it's gonna be 2-0 now. I might change Lightning's mood. Let's see what it does. Yeah, right now it's in, I think, what is this? I don't even know, wait. Guys, I have changed L-Drago's mode. I will list it over here, like what it was and what I've changed it to now. So yeah, let's go. It's 2-0. I hope L-Drago can make a comeback. But damn it, guys, I lost. I ran out of storage, so I'm gonna make it quick now. It's still 2-0, but that was an epic tie. Push him out! So guys, towards the end of the round, you could see that Lightning knocked out Eagle, so it's 2-1. I'm gonna try and do this quickly, but I'm honestly just worried. I don't have storage. I have a chart for this battle right now, so yeah, I tried with the launch, you could see, but it seems like Lightning is just gonna circle around. But will I declare Eagle the best fusion way based on this battle? Maybe, maybe not, because we all know that the real goat is actually the one and only, come on, Storm Capricorn. Nah, I'm just kidding, honestly. But yeah, I think I'll make a Metal Fusion tourney soon. Honestly, I have like 2 bays left. Dark Gasha, which I'll be getting soon, and Storm Aquila, which I've just never found in the market, so I don't know how I'll do it, but yeah, this battle is over. So guys, our winner is Earth Aquila, Earth Eagle by a score of 3-1. So guys, please like, subscribe if you're new, do ring the notification bell thing, and if you want any battles, just let me know, and peace out.